Hello and welcome! In this video I'm going to share an idea how to recycle old denim and turn it into a pot holder. This sewing project is very simple and beginner friendly, so stay with me and keep on watching. For this DIY you'll need 2 square pieces of denim, a thermal bathing rather heat resistant fabric and a ribbon. Place all pieces one on top of the other. Denim pieces go right sides out and a layer of heat-resistant fabric in between. Make sure everything is lined up evenly. Pin them together, and if you're a complete beginner, do a light hand stitch around the edge to keep all pieces in place while sewing with the machine. Then sew along the edge with a zigzag stitch. Take a ribbon, fold it over the edge and stitch it to the pot holder, leaving a small tail. When you reach the beginning point, place the ribbon in a loop, plus leave a small tail the same length as the first one. Cut off excess ribbon. Create a loop, cross the tails, place them the way they look nice, and stitch all in place. Then sew around the edge with a sewing machine. From the leftover ribbon, create a small bow. To do so, make a loop, and while holding one end of the ribbon in place, wrap another end around the loop in the middle. Cut off the excess and hand sew it at the back. Sew created bow on top of the tails. And that's it, the pot holder is done. I made one more pot holder, and as you can see I created diamonds on it. Basically I just drew a diagonal mesh using a ruler, and then sew along the lines. I hope you enjoyed this DIY. Leave your comment down below what you think about it. Also don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye!